evening, everyone. Naughty or nice, Disney's Hollywood Studios invites you to join us for our Holly Jolly Holiday Spectacular. Get ready for a rockin' good time and enjoy Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell.
Rocking around the Christmas tree and the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily, old-fashioned way.
Season's greetings, everyone! Direct from Santa's Village, the North Pole Christmas Eve Command Center Coordinator, McGee!
Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios! Tonight we've got a special holiday transmission from the big guy himself, Santa Claus. And to make sure the site is holly jolly, I'm sending in our top prep and landing team, Lenny and Wayne. It's classified Kringle level 9, but prep and landing are an elite unit of elves who get houses around the world ready for the big guy's arrival. Their mission, get in, get out, never be noticed. Oh, Lenny! Wayne! Where are you?
Right here, Jingle Bell.
Site is prep. Patch us through to the big guy's office.
Totally tinsel!
We are go for Partridge. Sir, you are live in 3, 2, 1.
Wayne? Santa's not in his office.
Ah, great Garland. McGee!
I just tried his cell phone. No answer. Typical.
Hey, I know where to look. His cabinet of magic snow globes.
Yes, of course. Activating remote vault access now.
Yeah! We're bound to spot the big guy in one of his magic snow globes.
You know, for a large bearded man in a bright red suit, he sure can blend in. Keep your eyes open, tree skirt.
That sure was festive.
Festive, yes. Still no sign of the big guy.
Frostbite. Okay, I'm escalating this situation to cranberry red.
Lanny, time to gear up. DBM, check. Grappling hook, check. Angel air gun,
Check.
sparkle ornament.
I've got extra. Oh no! Hey! Hello, Orlando.
Oh boy. You all right there, buddy?
I love you, Wayne. You're so adorable.
Yes, I'm aware. Stay with me, Lanny.
Christmas is so sparkly. It just melts my heart.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. Happy golden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gathered here to us once more. The years we all will be all together. The fates of love, the fates of love. Shining star upon the highest cloud. And have yourself a merry little Christmas
Wait! Oh, I think I know where the big guy is. He's been kidnapped.
What? How? Where?
I saw him in my sparkle dream. There were woods, 3 naughty kids, and a green monster thing. Like a nightmare.
Before Christmas? Okay, we need stealth and speed. This calls for Thrasher the reindeer. Dasher, good buddy, get us out of here. We're going in!
I'm gonna pick this up. I want you to unscrew the thing from the bottom.
Well, well, well. What have we here? When Mr. Boogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong, cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Whoa. I might just cook a special batch of snake and spider stew. And don't you know the one thing that would make it work so nice? A roly-poly Sandy Claus to add a little spice. Whoa! 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 I'm a boogie man.
We've got eyes on the big guy. Engaging night vision.
Hey! Who turned off the lights? Who's messing with me?
You guys are definitely on the naughty list.
Get him, Lanny.
Is this in Vickery Tinsel?
The partridge is in the pear tree. We have rescued the big guy.
Happy to have you back, sir. We are live with Orlando.
It's thanks to Lanny and Wayne. They're the ones who saved Christmas and me, after all. But as long as family and friends are together, like here in Orlando, there will always be Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
We should definitely have a party.
It's really not in the budget this time.
Go! And enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. If you got value out of the information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.